Well, I will be talking about testing of wind turbine blades and share some of the work that we do in that area, both developing a new test method for wind turbine blades and also developing the equipment that is needed in order to test the blades. And I will show that it's actually possible both to test blades better and faster at the same time. Which also means that the current way that we are testing blades in using certification tests, I think it's not appropriate anymore. That are better methods, better ways of doing it, and I think there's a need to change into that because it's important to test the blades more realistic, and it's also important to speed up the test time. One of the challenges is that wind turbines are getting bigger, and therefore also blades are becoming longer. And blades are tested at their natural frequency. So it means that if you move a blade and get it to vibrate at its natural frequency, the longer the blade becomes, the slower it is. And as the test need to meet millions of cycles, it takes longer and longer time to test the blade when they get longer. So I will talk about ways to reduce that time, so the blades can get tested faster. The whole certification scheme can be faster, and therefore you can get the blade faster on the market with these new methods. And another important issue is operation and maintenance cost. And in order to reduce that, we are working also on ways to monitor blades, condition monitoring, but also ways to predict the state of the blade, how well its structural integrity and reliability. And I will advocate for having more sensors in blades. There are usually not many sensors in blades today, but I think it's important to start to put sensors in the blades, because with that, in the future, there will be developed much more reliable and robust methods to do condition monitoring of the blades. So it's time to get the sensors in there. Well, I think these type of events are nice because they are smaller and focused. So I think there tend to be a very good interaction between the speakers and the audience. In these smaller events, the whole group are listening to all the presentations and in the same room. So I think that gives a very good interaction. And I also like this mix between academia and industry, because I think that gives a good opportunity to reflect on what the academic world is doing and what the industry needs are, and come up with future ideas for projects in the future and what needs to be done in the future. And then I think also these usually a very good organization and very professional made these events.